Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Helios 40-2 Canon mounted Helios 85 1.5 lens that I have. So actually I'm the distributor for Zenit in Malaysia. If you're interested to get these lenses, you can let me know. I can also ship internationally if you are not based in Malaysia. Okay, so to show you the lens, I'm gonna show you the outer appearance first, like the aesthetics. So let me turn this around to show you. Made in Russia. Okay, so this is the aperture limiter, where you can set like what's the aperture range you want to set for the aperture blades. So you can set, like, for example, you want to set at f2.8. Okay, so it will just fluctuate between 1.5 to 2.8, so you always know like what's the limit. Alright, so besides that, this is the aesthetics of it. I'll show you. Okay, the mount for this particular unit is a Canon mount, so you can see like the builds of the mount itself. In case you're using some kind of film camera like the EOS one, which requires a chipped unit, which require it to be a microchip in order for it to function, then you can let me know, then I can actually sell you the microchip that you need. You can actually mount the chip somewhere here, so you can use it with the EOS film cameras. But of course, if you're just using digital, or you're just gonna adapt it to any other system, then the chip is not required generally, as I know. So yeah, but of course another plus side of the chip is that it allows AF confirmation. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, then the chip is for you. But yeah, so this is generally how it looks like. This is the box. It comes with a manual and also some paper which is wrapped in originally. Comes with a back cap, a Canon back cap, and also a front cap. Yeah, this is the glass itself. Okay, this is a new unit, so it's expected to be clean. So yeah, if you're interested in this kind of lenses, the Russian lenses, you can let me know. I can sell them to you. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And see you guys next time. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this. Bye. God bless.